Uncover the difference between the Cavitation 2.5 handpiece and traditional ultrasonic handpiece. Compared to Cavitation 2.0, Cavitation 2.5 has more power and a more sophisticated design. That's what's revolutionary. Traditional ultrasonic handpieces break down fat more slowly, and multiple sessions may be required to see significant results. The Cavitation 2.5 handpiece is larger and covers a wider area, reducing the number of operations and greatly improving efficiency. With higher power and a larger handling area, Cavitation 2.5 can break down fat more efficiently, resulting in smoother, tighter skin. Upgrade to Aerostorm for OK Cavitation 2.5 to take slimming care to a whole new level. Aerostorm 40K Cavitation 2.5. Stronger, faster, better. Contact us now to learn more.